Now I'm going to discuss different types of tree. There are several types of trees. The first one is binary tree. Then second one is binary search tree. Third one is avial tree. Fourth one is B tree, and the next is B plus tree. So these are different types of trees. Now I'm going to discuss all these trees in more detail. First of all, binary tree. So binary tree is a spatial data structure in which each node can have at most two children. That is, each node has either zero child or one child or two children. For example, you can see here this is a binary tree, and here each node can have at most two children. That means each node can have either zero children or one children or two children. You see here from start from this root node. This is the root node. Now this root node is having two children. This is first child and this is second child, B and C. You take this node B, it has also two children, two child. So D and E are its children. Similarly, you take this node C, it is having one child, that is F. You take this node F, it is having zero child. You take this one E, it is having zero child. You take this node D, it is having one child, that is G. You take this node G, it is having zero child. So all these nodes in this tree, they satisfy this condition that each node can have at most two children. So this is your binary tree. So it is a special tree data structure in which each node can have at most two children. Right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
The next is unlabeled binary tree. So a binary tree is unlabeled if its nodes are not assigned any label. So you can see here in this diagram, all the nodes you can see no label is assigned to any node. So this is known as unlabeled binary tree. Unlabeled means there is no label. Okay. So it is having three nodes and this is an unlabeled binary tree. Okay. So here how many nodes are there? Three nodes are there. Now the question is number of unlabeled binary trees with given number of nodes. How to find the total number of unlabeled binary trees with a given number of nodes. We can find that by using this formula. Number of different binary trees possible with n unlabeled nodes is equals to 2n cn divided by n plus 1. So this is a combinatorial. So 2n cn divided by n plus 1, where n is the total number of unlabeled nodes, okay, in the binary tree. Now let us take one example. The question is how many total number of all the binary trees possible with three unlabeled nodes. Can you find this by using this formula? Can you find this, students? Who can find this? So the answer to this question is this. The number of binary trees possible with three unlabeled nodes is this. Here n is 3, so 2 into 3, C 3. Okay, divided by n plus 1 means plus 1. It is equals to 6c3 divided by 4, which is equals to 5. That means total 5 uh, trees can be constructed with these 5 different types of binary trees can be constructed using these 3 unlabeled nodes. Okay, for example, you see the constant is we can use only 3 nodes, and the nodes are unlabeled. There is no name given to any node. Okay, so node is having no name, only node is there, but we can construct the binary tree using these 3 nodes. Okay, and different types of tree can be constructed. And what are those different types of possible trees that can be constructed using these 3 nodes? These are the possible trees. So we can construct a tree like this. This is the root node, this is right child, and this nodes right left child is this one. So this is one tree, this is another tree can also be like this, root node and its left child and one more left child of this node. This is another tree like this, root node, left child, right child. This is another tree, root node, right child and its right child. And this another, this is a root node, left child, and this node's right child. So these are the possible trees using 3 unlabeled nodes. Can you construct any more type of tree other than this, students? Can you construct इस इससे और कुछ हो सकता है क्या? These
No,
are
sir.
the 5 different types of trees we can construct using 3 nodes. और कुछ हो सकता है इनको छोड़ के, ये 5 को छोड़ के? हो
No,
सकता है
sir.
क्या? नहीं हो सकता. So total 5 different types of binary trees we can construct, okay, by using 3 unlabeled nodes. Okay, so this is the formula to find that. If you will be given this question, that you will be given the total number of unlabeled nodes, okay, and you will be asked to find total number of binary trees using this the unlabeled nodes, then you can use this formula. This formula you can use. Okay, you may find questions, this type of questions in GATE exam. Okay, just use this formula. Okay, combination formula, permutation combination formula, you must know that. Okay, any question?
No, sir.
The next is labeled binary tree. So this, in this case, all the nodes are assigned a label. For example, you see this is a tree, it is having 3 nodes, and all the nodes you can see here, they are assigned label. Label means names are assigned. So this node is assigned A level, this node is assigned B level, this node is assigned C level, right? Now here also the question is, how many number of possible binary trees can be constructed by using a given number of label nodes? And the formula is this: the number of different binary trees possible with n label nodes is 2ncn divided by n plus 1 into factorial n. This. Is it visible to you, this formula?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so are you getting me or not, what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So here, the total number of binary trees, labeled binary trees, can be constructed by using these 3 or any number of labeled nodes. That is done by using this formula. We can find that by using this formula. Okay. Now the question is, there is a question: how many labeled binary trees possible with 3 labeled nodes? Can you find?
Sir, 30. 30.
Yes. Very good. So the answer is 30. Okay, the answer is 30. So you may get this type of questions in GATE exam. Okay. So how that is 30? You see, we saw that here these are different types of unlabeled trees that can be constructed by using 3 nodes. But if you are using level, then we can change labels. You take this one, you take this one, any one tree you take, and then we can give labels, and how many labels can be given, and in how many ways the labels can be given. You just take this one, this tree. Okay. See, total how many trees are there? 5. Okay, now we are taking just one tree. Okay, you see, this tree we are taking, and we are giving levels. So 3 levels we can give, A, B, and C. Now how we can give the levels? You see, we can give this level, this type of level also. See, A is given to this node, this is B, and this is C. This is one type of tree. And we can also give this type of level also. This is B, this is A, and this is C. And we can also do this way. C, this is C. We can also do this A, C, B. Okay. And we can also do this one B, C, A or C, B, A. और कुछ हो सकता है इसमें. These are different 6 types of trees that can be constructed using labels for this tree only. For this tree only. Okay. और कुछ हो सकता है क्या? देखो ये जो ट्री है, ये एक ही ट्री को हम कितना नाम दे सकते हैं, कितना वैल्यू चेंज करने से कितना डिफरेंट टाइप का ट्री हो सकता है. देखो ये वाला एक ट्री 6 हो गया, 6 टाइप का ट्री बन गया. और कुछ हो सकता है क्या?
नो सर.
नो. तो एक के लिए 6 हो रहा है. तो वैसे ही हमने कितना देखा था अनलेबल्ड में, कितना था? 5 था. तो 5 के लिए कितना हो जाएगा टोटल? 5 into 6 30 टोटल, जो कि हमने फॉर्मूला यूज करके हमने देखा था 30 था. ठीक है. Okay. Now I'll discuss different types of binary trees. So there are different types of binary trees. The first one is rooted binary tree. Second one is full or proper or strictly binary tree. Third one is complete or perfect binary tree. Fourth one is almost complete binary tree. And fifth one is skewed binary tree. So we will discuss all these different types of binary trees one by one in more detail. So let us start the first one, rooted binary tree. So a rooted binary tree is a binary tree that satisfies the following 2 properties. The first property is it has a root node. Okay, it has a root node, and then each node has at most 2 children. Okay, so this is the diagram of a rooted binary tree. You can see it has a root node, so this node A is the root node, and each node has at most 2 children. You take any node of this tree, each node is having at most 2 children. At most means what? Either 0 node or 1 node or 2 node. Okay, so this is a rooted binary tree. So that means the tree must have a root node. Okay, so this is rooted binary tree. The next is binary tree properties. Now I'm going to discuss the properties of binary tree. So one of the properties, if a binary tree contains m nodes at level L, then it contains at most 2m nodes at level L plus 1. Okay, you take in this diagram, see in this diagram, take any level. Okay, take any level. If any level contains m nodes, okay, then at the next level, the total number of nodes at most will be 2m. Okay, so you take this level 0. At level 0, how many nodes are there? This is the root node. How many nodes are there at level 0? This is level 0, right? Level 0, level 1, level 2, and level 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So total 3 levels are there. Yes or no? Now you take this level 0. In level 0, how many nodes are there? How many nodes are there in level 0?
One.
One node. Now what is the next level? This is the level 0. Next level is level 1. So in level 1, it will contain at most double the number of nodes of the previous level. So in the previous level, the total node is 1. So here in this level, at most we will have 2 nodes. So here you can see 2 nodes are there. Okay. Then again come to the next level, this level. Okay, this level. So here in this node, how many nodes are there? So this level 1 contains how many nodes? 2 nodes. Okay. And the next level of this, that will contain how many nodes? At most how many nodes it will contain? This level?
Four.
4. Because we can have here one child, and here also we can have one child. So you see 2 nodes are there, and here we can have 2 other nodes. Okay. So total 4 nodes can have here in this level 2. Okay. So if in this level, in level 2, there can be 4 nodes, then here at this level, at level 3, how many total nodes we can have? Double the total number of nodes here. Okay. So we can have how many nodes here in this level? Level 2, how many?
Two nodes.
यहाँ पर कितना हो सकता है लेवल 2 में? 4,
Four.
4. तो लेवल
8 हो सकता है.
यहाँ पर 8 होगा. ठीक है. लेवल 3 में 8 नोड हो सकता है. ठीक है. This is the next property. A binary tree can contain at most 2 to the power L nodes at level L. Okay. At any level L, a binary tree can contain at most 2 to the power L number of nodes. You take any node, any level. So what's the level of this level? What's the level? This one?
3.
3. So at most how many number of nodes this level can have?
Sir, 8.
2 to the power
8,
8.
because 2 to the power 3. Okay. Now you take this level. So what's the level of this level?
Level 2.
Level 2. So how many total number of nodes can have in this level?
4 nodes.
4 nodes, that is 2 to the power 2. Okay. So like that. This one 2 to the power 1 is 2, and this one 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the next next binary tree is full or proper or strictly binary tree. Okay. So a binary tree in which every node has either 0 or 2 children, then it is called full binary tree. Okay. A binary tree in which every node has either 0 children or 2 number of children, then that is known as full binary tree or proper binary tree or strictly binary tree. Okay. And strictly binary tree with n leaves always contains 2n minus 1 nodes. Okay. So what's the meaning of leaf? Leaves or leaf node?
Sir, which will not have any further child nodes.
Yes, the node which is having no child, that is known as leaf node. So a strictly binary tree with n leaves. If in a strictly binary tree there are n leaf nodes, okay, then it contains 2n minus 1 nodes. Okay. Okay. Now you see two diagrams are there here. So this is one tree. This is another binary tree. Okay. Now this is a strictly binary tree, but this is not the strictly binary tree, because a binary tree can be a strictly binary tree or full or proper binary tree if all the nodes of the tree has either 0 children or 2 children. So, but that is not satisfied here in this tree, because you see this node C. Node C, how many child it is having? This node C, how many?
No child.
Node C, how many child?
One child.
One.
One child. So is it satisfying the property of strictly binary tree? This tree, is it satisfying?
No,
See, I
sir.
told you that in a strictly binary tree, all the node is having either 0 child or 2 number of children. But this is not satisfying because node C is having only 1 children. Okay, so this is not a strictly binary tree. But this tree, this is a strictly binary tree because you take any node in this tree, all the node is having either 0 child or 2 number of children. Okay, you see, you take any node, take this node A, it is having two child, B and C are the 2 children. Then you take C, C is having how many children? C, node C is having how many children? How many children node C is having?
0.
Huh?
0.
0.
Sir, 0.
Yes. You take this B, node B, how many children it is having?
So 2.
2. You take this node E, how many children it is having?
2.
Sir, 2.
2 children. So is this tree satisfies the condition of or the property of strictly binary tree?
Yes,
You
sir.
take any node. So this is satisfying. So this is a strictly binary tree or proper binary tree or full binary tree. Okay. Any question?
सर सर थर्ड पॉइंट को सर इस एग्जांपल से समझाइए.
Huh?
थर्ड
Yes.
पॉइंट.
This point, third point.
थर्ड पॉइंट को.
Yes. A strictly binary tree with n leaves always contains 2n minus 1 nodes. Now you take this one. How many leaves are there in this tree? How many leaf nodes are there?
2.
How many
4.
leaf nodes? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is saying that a strictly binary tree with n leaves. So here 4 leaves are there. Always contain 2n minus 1 nodes. Okay. So what are the total number of nodes in this tree?
7.
7. So is it satisfying this condition 2n minus 1?
Yes, sir.
So it is satisfying. So n is 4. So 2 into 4 minus 1, 7. It is satisfying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the next tree, that is properties of full or proper or strict binary tree. Okay. So in the previous slide we discussed full, proper or strictly binary tree. So a binary tree is said to be full or proper or strictly binary tree if each node is having either 0 children or 2 children. Okay. Now these are the properties of the full binary tree. The number of leaf nodes is equal to the number of internal nodes plus 1. The number of leaf nodes is equal to the number of internal nodes plus 1. So what is the meaning of internal node? Can anyone tell me? What's the meaning of internal node?
The node contains child.
Containing.
The node having
Sir, node
least one
having
child.
at least 2
at least
children
2 or
nodes.
1. At least 2 or 1.
So at least one.
At least one child. So here, how many internal nodes are there in this tree? Can you tell me?
3. 3.
कितना internal node है इसमें?
Sir, 3.
3, sir.
3 है. A, B, and C, these are the internal nodes. Now, it is this property is saying that the number of leaf nodes is equal to the number of internal nodes plus 1. Okay. Now, how many number of leaf nodes are there in this tree?
4.
Is it satisfying this property? It's
Yes,
satisfying.
sir.
So it is satisfying because 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So internal node number is 3, 1, 2, 3, and leaf node is 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Next property. The maximum number of nodes is 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1, where h is the height of the tree. Where h is the height of the tree. So the maximum number of nodes in a strictly binary tree can be 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1, where h is the height of the tree. Now you see, this is a strictly binary tree or strict binary tree. Okay. In this tree, uh, how many nodes are there? 7 nodes are there. Yes or no? This tree is having 7 nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And what's the height of this tree? What is the height of this tree?
Sir, 3.
3. Because height of tree is height of the root. So this is the root. And you have to count the number of edges in the longest path to the leaf node. So this 1, 2, 3, 3 edges are there. So the height of this tree is 3. Okay. Now the maximum number of node is, the formula is this one, 2 to the h plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So 2 to the h plus 1 means how much? H is 3, right? Height is 3. So 2 to the power 3 plus 1 is 2 to the power 4. Okay. So 2 to the power 4 is how much? 16.
16.
So 2 to the power 4, 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. So this tree can have maximum 15 number of nodes. Yes or no? इस ट्री में मैक्सिमम कितना नोड हो सकता है?
15.
15 हो सकता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर दे सकते हैं हम लोग नोड, यहाँ पर एक नोड दे सकते हैं, यहाँ एक नोड दे सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी 2 हो सकता है, और यहाँ पर जो चाइल्ड होगा इसका, उसका भी 2 हो सकता है, और इसका चाइल्ड भी, इसका भी 2 चाइल्ड हो सकता है, ऐसे करके, है कि नहीं? तो
Yes,
इस
sir.
ट्री में टोटल 15 नोड हो सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? So that is maximum number of nodes we can have in a tree with height h. Okay, is that clear? Okay, the next property is the minimum height of full binary tree is log base 2 n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, the minimum height of the full binary tree is log base 2 n plus 1 minus 1. Now what is n? N is the total number of nodes in the binary tree. Okay, now you take this tree. How many nodes are there in this tree? How many nodes are there here? 7. 7 nodes are there. So apply this formula. Log base 2, 7 plus 1, that is 8. So log base 2, 8 minus 1. So log base 2, 8 is how much? 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is the height of, minimum height of this tree? What will be the minimum height of this tree? Full binary tree, this one.
2.
2. कैसे होगा 2 बताओ?
Sorry, sir. Sir, 3 होगा ना?
नहीं, हम 7 नोड को
सर
तुम्हें यूज करना है. 7 नोड को, यहाँ पर कितना नोड है? 7 नोड. दिस इज ऑल्सो बाइनरी, फुल बाइनरी ट्री. लेकिन यहाँ पर हमने कितने नोड यूज किए? 7 नोड. ठीक है ना? लेकिन इन्हीं 7 नोड को यूज करके हम ऐसा बाइनरी ट्री, फुल बाइनरी ट्री बनाएंगे जिसमें कि मिनिमम इतना हाइट होगा. ठीक है ना? तो कैसे बना सकते हैं इसमें नोड? 7 नोड को लेके इसको रीऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? ये जो 2 नोड है, नोड 7 यूज करना है, ठीक है ना? लेकिन ऐसा यूज करना है जैसे कि हाइट मिनिमम होगा, ठीक है ना? तो ये जो 2 नोड यहाँ पे हैं, एफ जी को इधर ला सकते हैं, यहाँ पर एफ जी को सी नोड का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड राइट चाइल्ड बना सकते हैं. सो लाइक दिस, इधर आ जाएगा एफ, यहाँ आ जाएगा जी, ठीक है ना? तो तब भी कितना नोड हो जाएंगे इसमें, इस ट्री में? टोटल 7 नोड हो जाएंगे।
7 nodes.
7 नोड। और उस ट्री का हाइट कितना होगा?
Sir, 2.
2 होगा। तो हम उतना ही कर सकते हैं, तो मिनिमम हाइट उतना ही होगा। और उससे कम कर सकते हैं क्या? 7 नोड को यूज करना है, लेकिन हाइट कम से कम कर रखना है। और कुछ कर सकते हो क्या?
नहीं सर।
नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि ये फुल है। यहाँ पर एक नोड लगाओगे, इधर एक लगाओगे, और तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते। तो दैट विल बी द मिनिमम हाइट। तो 7 नोड को यूज करके जो ट्री बनाओगे, बाइनरी ट्री, फुल बाइनरी ट्री, उसका मिनिमम हाइट इतना ही हो सकता है, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, है कि नहीं? समझ में है? ओके।
Yes sir.
Then complete binary tree or perfect binary tree. So a complete binary tree is a binary tree that satisfies the following two properties. First property is every internal node has exactly 2 children. Every internal node has exactly 2 children, and all the leaf nodes are at the same level. Okay, two conditions it should satisfy. It must satisfy. Every internal node has exactly 2 children, and all the leaf nodes are at the same level. Okay, now you take this one. So in this case, is it satisfying? This is not satisfying this first condition. First condition is every internal node has exactly 2 children. Exactly 2 children. Okay. So and all the leaf nodes are at the same level. Okay. This is satisfying the first condition. This condition is satisfied. Okay, so this diagram, this tree is satisfying the first condition. That means every internal node has exactly 2 children. You see, this is the internal node, it is having 2 children. You take this node, this is internal node, so it is also having 2 children, but it is not satisfying the second condition. This one, all the leaf nodes are at the same level. So this is a leaf node, this is a leaf node, and this is another leaf node. So all these leaf nodes are not in the same level, because this leaf node is at the level 1 and these two leaf nodes are at the level 2. So this second condition is not satisfied in this tree. Okay, but you take this diagram, this tree. In this tree, you take this first condition, check this first condition. Every internal node has exactly 2 children. Now what are the internal nodes? A is internal node, it is having 2 children. This is child, this is child, 2 childs are there. You take this node, it is also having 2 children, D and E. You take this internal node C, this is also having two child nodes, F and G, right? So all the internal nodes, 3 internal nodes are there in this tree, A, B, and C, and all the nodes is having exactly 2 children. Now you check the second condition. All the leaf nodes are at the same level. Now what are the leaf nodes? D, E, F, and G are the leaf nodes. Now are these leaf nodes in the same level? Tell me.
Yes sir.
Are these leaf nodes are in the same level? Yes, these are in the same level. So this tree is satisfying these two conditions. So this is a complete binary tree or perfect binary tree. Okay, is that clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so complete binary tree also known as perfect binary tree. In a complete binary tree, each label can contain exactly 2 to the power L nodes at level L. You take any level. This is level 0, level 1, level 2. So at each level, there will be exactly 2 to the power L number of nodes. So you take this level, level 0. So 2 to the 0 is 1, so 1 node is there. You take level 1, so 2 to the power 1 is 2. So here 2 nodes are there. You take this level, level 2. Okay. So here 2 to the power 2, so 4 nodes are there. Okay. Similarly, in the next level, in the level 3, how many nodes it will have? How many?
Sir, 8 nodes.
8 nodes it will have. So exactly 8 nodes. Okay. So this is complete or perfect binary tree. Okay. Any questions, students?
No, sir.
So with this, I stop here because time is over, and we will discuss the rest in the next class. Okay.